and I'm with Keller Williams Realty, and I've been with Keller Williams for 20 years. I've known about Shaw Homes for at least 15 years. They've always given great service to all their communities and great service to all of their home buyers and all of us realtors in the community. And they're very, very easy to work for and work with. We really have had good experiences with Shaw Homes throughout the years. My favorite thing about Shaw Homes is that they always work with you. If there's something that your buyers want, they will make sure that buyer gets it. They never circumvent the system. They always make sure that you get your commission. They make it a very, very easy process, and they don't ever really make you feel uncomfortable during the transaction. I would say that they're one of the finest builders in the Tulsa area. Broken Arrow, Owasso, anywhere where they build very high quality homes, and they stand by what they build.